Hey, it's me Rishikesh Kannan, popularly known as Rishi K. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now to get the latest videos and get taken into a world of entertainment, culture, sport, business and current affairs.
But how does it feel to be the senior most actor, bro? this is one set.
To be honest, I think even in Fukre I was the senior, but age मेरी हमेशा छोटी रही है. काम के लिए
well played, brother.
Just
पता नहीं चलने देता
saying the fact. Yeah, मैं कभी feel नहीं कर रहा था यार मैं senior हूँ. Like we always play like buddies.
Actually, I agree.
So
I agree. मतलब.
Yeah.
It's the College Romance 2 gang. I'm very pleased to welcome Shreya, Gagan, Keshav, Manjot, and Apurva. What's up, you guys? I hope you're all safe and healthy.
Yes, all good. All safe.
Super excited.
Manjot, I would never have thought that I'm going to ask you this question each time you came in for Fukre Returns, or even before that for Oi Lucky when we met in Parel. In my studio.
Of course.
How does it feel to be the senior most actor, bro? this is one set. This is one set where you're the senior. You can have a little bit of senior swag here, which you couldn't in the past. So talk about that, man.
I'd like to hear that.
Did you ever
I love this question first of all.
To be honest, I think even in Fukre I was the senior, but age मेरी हमेशा छोटी रही है. काम के लिए
well played, brother.
Just
पता नहीं चलने देता
saying the fact. Yeah, मैं कभी feel नहीं कर रहा था यार मैं senior हूँ. Like we always play like buddies.
Actually, I agree.
So
I agree. मतलब.
Yeah.
You mean to say, Keshav, Gagan, at least you guys didn't go to him for advice and say, Manjot, how do you wing this in season 1? None of you went to him for advice.
Rather than winging for it, I was very nervous to shoot around him because of course I've seen his films. लेकिन the moment I came on set, इसने खुद ही कंधे पे हाथ रखा के हो जाएगा भाई, don't worry. And he was always very warm and around us and never कोई star tantrum देता नहीं है. So
I was very nervous. I
was
was very excited to work with Manjot in season 1, but जब ये मेरी मुलाकात हुई मंजोत से, उस टाइम पे मैं थोड़ा दीपिका के जोन में थी और मेरे जब फर्स्ट टाइम मिला इससे, मैंने इसको देख के बोला, and I have this little bitchy feature, so I just said without any wrong intention, I was like, listen, I'm gonna be a little bitch, so don't judge me the way I'm talking to you because that's not real me, but yeah, I'm not a bitch, but I have to act like bitch, and
But I judged you before you said that.
Doesn't matter.
It's called method acting, Manjot. When an actor says, I'm in character, things like that.
Season 1 में initial days में हमें ऐसी लगा था, शायद गगन और मुझे लगा भी होगा, I'm sure. बस 1-2 दिन में. But इसके जो बिल्कुल भी ये tantrums बिल्कुल थे नहीं और बहुत ही बढ़िया, मतलब एक नंबर तो बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं चला. बस initial 1-2 दिन में शायद हमें लगा ही होगा because पहली बार जब मिल रहे हैं और जब पहली बार कोई भी मिलता है तो I'm sure ऐसा लगता ही है. But initially जब bond बन गया तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ.
I think
मेरे 500 और के 500 पेटीएम कर दियो, ठीक है?
मेरी 1000 की बात हुई. मेरी 1000 की बात.
Apurva is saying something. Let the lady talk. 1 second. Yeah.
Hanji. So when we met first, I knew कि हाँ humble है. He's being really nice to everyone around him. But I just got a really mean vibe from him, and which is not true. I just felt like that. Maybe it was all in my head or whatever. Or maybe he also got the same vibe from me and we were just eyeing each other. I remember doing this, Manjot. I don't know about you. And then the moment we started shooting, the first scene of CR1 was the two of us. And we just eased into conversation when, the shoot was not happening. He would just come and ask me really cute questions. And हाँ तो मतलब वही ट्रिपी जैसा सवाल ऑन स्क्रीन पूछता है, वैसे मंजोत कभी-कभी ऑफ स्क्रीन पूछता है, तो मुझे बहुत then I got really comfortable with him and I realized I was very wrong. So, yeah.
Manjot, that brings me to my next logical question. I mean, the fact that Lali's become so famous, do you have to consciously try and say that, boss, this is a different character, let me not fall into that zone? Because, in a lot of ways, Lali is like second skin to you, bro. So when anything you approach, people are going to turn. At least the audience will turn around and say, there he is. So
Yeah.
talk about that challenge, the challenge of living up to famous characters, man.
See, that's, I think, with every actor, like, you have to, unlearn everything when you go on another set, a new set. So ये हमेशा करना पड़ता है, and you have to, be there and, do workshops कि ये character कैसा है, ये खाता कैसे है, ये पीता कैसे है, ये बात कैसे करता है, walk कैसे करता है. So that's the thing, and obviously it was a big challenge, to leave Lali aside and become a Trippy. He's very, दिल का साफ है, बहुत भोला है, और लाली भी था, मतलब some shades, वो family वो है, but shade अलग है वो. So challenge तो होता है, it's difficult कि कहीं dialogue बोलते हुए आपका लाली वाला flavor ना आ जाए. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to,
you just have to be conscious
Trippy and behave like Trippy. Yeah.
The major reason, one of the major reasons for CR1's success is the fact that it's so campus. It can be identified in any campus around India, but it is a Delhi University based show. I mean, if you look at those individual jokes and things like that. So Keshav, did you ever go to DU, hung around with friends on campus, North campus, South campus? That's my question to you, man.
मैं साउथ कैंपस में था और मेरा हैंग अराउंड तो बहुत ही कम होता था. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी उस टाइम, तो बिल्कुल ही वेरी सिमिलर. आई हैड शेयर्ड अ वेरी सिमिलर रिलेशन दैट वी शेयर्ड, दैट आई शेयर्ड विद दीपिका. मेरा भी सिमिलर रिलेशन था, तो मुझे बहुत डोमिनेट करती थी वो. तो कुछ शेड्स तो मुझे करण के वहां से मिले थे, और मैं हैंग अराउंड कम करता था. मैं हैंग अराउंड ही करता था, कॉलेज तो जाता ही नहीं था. इनफैक्ट मेरी 10 या 15% अटेंडेंस थी फर्स्ट ईयर में. सेकंड ईयर में 10 होगी, और थर्ड ईयर तो गया ही नहीं कॉलेज. पहले 2 नहीं गया तो लास्ट ईयर क्या जाता. बस हैंग अराउंड ही करते थे, कॉलेज नहीं जाते. तो पूरा साउथ कैंपस कहाँ पे कहाँ मिलता है, क्या होता है. और स्पेशली गार्गी कॉलेज था, वो गर्ल्स का कॉलेज था, वहीं बैठे रहते थे सामने हम. तो ऐसा था.
great for picking up skill sets as an actor. So Gagan, in Oye Lucky Oye, it was Manjot who was playing the West Delhi boy, and you're playing the West Delhi boy in this. So my first logical question is, are you from West Delhi, South Delhi? Where are you from? What's your background?
I'm actually from the opposite side of Delhi. I'm from East Delhi, and but the thing is that the character that I played, it's in every, मतलब वो हर गली में है दिल्ली के. And there's this बग्गा, वो हर किसी के ग्रुप में एक बग्गा जरूर होता है जो कहता है, अरे मैं देख लूंगा यार, do whatever you want to do, मैं संभाल लूंगा. And so I used to see a lot of I've seen a lot of baggas in my life, and in Delhi I don't think you can ever survive without seeing a bagga ever. You ask anybody, there's always someone like him around.
And I believe you assisted on Stree. Is that true?
I was.
That was a really cool film, man. And Raj is a friend, so is Flora. So it must have been, and great hanging out with that crew, with Shraddha, the whole gang. Talk about that experience.
It was actually it was very helpful, because I initially wanted to become a director, and that is what I was pursuing. That is also what I studied after in my postgrad. So to be on a set like that, I never knew how would a 200, 300 people machinery work so efficiently. And then to see someone like Rajkumar Rao, Pankaj Tripathi perform, it is just masterclass in every day, each scene, every scene. And I would just be taking notes. But I never knew that I would come back to acting like that. It was a great experience. And you talk about Flora, she just saw the trailer a couple of days back, and she texted that she really liked it. So when people whom you have assisted on set, they see your acting job, the first thing that happens is that टांग खिंचाई होती है. अच्छा, you wanted to become an actor and you were pretending to be an AD. But it's been a great journey, I guess. I think now I understand the whole process a little better because I was an AD before.
Cool. Apurva, I love your character, man. I mean, every girl goes through a phase in her life when she's got to be one amongst the boys, right?
Right.
I mean, and in your case even more so, because there are two guys in this group and there's just
Right.
you, and you have to
Right.
put up with their broken relationships, their whining, and but then you have your own life too. So
Right.
this must be like really the most exciting character that you've ever played. And did you ever think it would become so big? I mean, when you started off working on CR1, for example,
Right. Right.
did you think this is going to be so massive? It's going to have multiple seasons, or did you think I've signed this? Let's see how it goes. So talk about that and talk about your character.
I mean, talking about the show, I don't think any of us expected it to, be this big.
True.
And the reason I took it up was कि I was born in Delhi and I spent 14 years here, and I had just shot one film here. और मेरा बहुत मन होता था कि एक बारी घर से अपना टिफिन लेके शूट पे जाना है और वो एक्सपीरियंस करना था मुझे, and that's the reason I took it up. And I knew
Wow.
कि TVF it'll be fun. It'll be fun, मजा जरूर आएगा because there are people my age and it'll be cool. But then when the show came out and धीरे धीरे मैं देख रही हूँ, it's just it
It's not
works so
stopping.
well. Yeah, it's just not stopping and people are going crazy. And मेरा एक वो सीन और एक लोगों को डायलॉग्स याद है, हर कैरेक्टर का एक डायलॉग याद है, तो that was like okay, ये हमने कुछ कर दिया है शायद. That and talking about Naira, like you said, yeah, every girl goes through that phase. And the good thing was that there were two writers. There was Simar, who directed the first season, and there was Apoorv, who was the creative director at that time. He's directed season 2. So all of them had different things to tell me about Naira. So that sort of helped me build these layers, that she hangs out with these boys and she's been one of the boys and bro hai, but zaruri nahi hai ki wo tomboy ho. Uske apne quirks hai. Maybe she's the mother friend sometimes, maybe she needs a little bit of guidance sometimes, but then when she's with Bagga, तो वो जो एक प्यारी सी innocent सी जो vibe आ जाती है बाहर, वो सब. So the fact that I had these people to talk to me about Naira and brief me about Naira, that helped me sort of build these layers and not make it like a typical tomboy character जो वो check shirts में और shorts में बस झल्ले से बाल लेके आ जाती है. So that's something that I really liked about Naira in the first season.
जो मुझे आज तक समझ नहीं आया है इसके why is Naira with Bagga? मतलब how did Bagga get Naira? How did he get her?
That's one of the modern mysteries of life, brother.
Yeah.
I see a lot of friends around me and I feel the same way. किसको कहाँ से मिल गई? So, Shreya, the fact that it's almost as though like in cricket they say there's net practice and then you go on and play a match. You're doing all those fantastic parts and timeliners, being part of the extended TVF family in that aspect, it must have really come in very handy. How much of this was completely scripted? How much was it impromptu, on the move? Romance, both 1 and 2. I want you to talk about that.
So see, TVF being working with timeliners in Delhi for 4 years, that's how I started, and it was my film school. So I started with comedy. I started with to understand how to make a scene. If it's a 30-second scene, I have to say my dialogue and I have to make sure my dialogue cracks up. Okay, so that was my schooling, and it really helped me because when I played Deepika, I was aced when season 1 was happening in 2018. I was very nervous. It was my first web series, and I was like, I've not been to a film school. I don't think I've not done theater, so I don't know if I can do it. See, the listicles which I was doing was fine, but a web series, layering and everything, I was so nervous. And when I read Deepika, she was this wild, mad woman, and I did not connect with. And every time I used to ask my director and my writers in season 1 that, why am I doing this? Why is she behaving like this? And they're like, Deepika karegi, wo wild hai, wo karegi, tu kar. तो फिर मैं भी फैल गई सर फिर, and then I don't know, and then I discovered, because this was an uncomfortable zone for me. I was not a bitch like that person, but then when I read Deepika, when I was performing, I explored on day 5, day 6. Okay, I can do this, I can do that, I can go this crazy, I can go. There should be no कोई लाइन नहीं होनी चाहिए मेरी craziness की. So फैल जा, कर दे पागलपंती. Then when season 2 happened, already 2 साल से इतना I was watching so much of content online, and I was especially my focus was on जितने भी dominating bitchy characters हैं, मैं देखूं लोगों ने कैसे हैं. And the season 2 was, I don't know, I just improvise. Yeah, so
it's not very difficult to find dominating bitchy characters. All you have to do is switch on the TV.
No, but I didn't want to do something difficult.
Serials.
Yeah, I
serious.
didn't want to do something typical. So yeah, I don't know. A lot of improvisation happened.
No,
and
you've done a great job. There's no doubt about it. So you haven't done anything which is typical, which is what I love about this show. Well
Thank
done.
you, sir.
Manjot, I have to say this, that your love interest in season 1, she has a lot of fans, bro. A lot of people turned around and said, who's this cool girl, opposite Manjot's character, opposite Chippy character. But then the trailer in 2 says that she's gone off to Mohali to do engineering or whatever it
Yeah.
is. So does that mean that you're going to have more love interests, which is only a good thing? So give a sneak
Yes,
peek of CR2 and your character in CR2.
नहीं, obviously Trippy is the character, उसको प्यार चाहिए. He wants to fall in love every time. मतलब he's loyal, but उसको चाहिए. But अगर उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड चली गई है, ब्रेकअप हो गया, जो भी है, so वो he keeps trying. Trippy keeps trying कि नहीं यार, कोई तो मैं हमेशा, मुझे कोई भी अगर कनेक्ट करता हूँ, मतलब मुझे सच्चा प्यार होता है. So obviously 29 जनवरी को जो भी लोग देखेंगे शो, आई होप सारे देखें एंड उनको पता चलेगा कि मैं किस रूट पे जा रहा हूँ, क्या है क्या नहीं है, क्योंकि पोस्टर पे मेरे साथ कोई लड़की नहीं है. सो वो देख के पता चलेगा कि
29 को पता चल जाएगा किससे सच्चा प्यार होता है ट्रिपी को,
किससे सच्चा प्यार होता है.
And Keshav in that aspect, and Keshav in that aspect, I mean, he's a bit of a chomu in episode 1, but I love the bike being Mohini. That is just great, right? So who thought of that? Your director, the writer, just the fact that he has a bike called Mohini.
ये मुझे शायद इन सबसे पूछना पड़ेगा, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि ऑलरेडी स्क्रिप्ट में था
Right,
It was
right,
in
right.
the script.
हाँ
It
ना?
was in the script. Yeah.
And I'm sure ये हर एक आई थिंक दिल्ली में तो आई थिंक हर एक के साथ होता होगा कि बाइक से बहुत प्यार होता है, और बाकी तुझे भी शायद अपनी बाइक से बहुत प्यार होगा. I'm sure.
I love
तो
my
मैं
bike.
भी था जब मैं स्कूल में था. I was very crazy. मैं कॉलेज में था, I was very crazy about my bike. I'm sure वो सेम उन्होंने इसमें ही डाला है और वो वर्क भी किया है.
I kind of relate with
एक चीज
go on.
You kind of relate with? What were you saying?
With naming things like that. I have a name for my ukulele. I have a name for my bicycle. So I wouldn't name something after my mom.
What
but
is
I get it.
That is very intriguing.
Let's not go
What
there.
is the name of your ukulele and what is the name of your bicycle, Apurva? I insist that you tell us now.
Let's not go there. You guys don't want to know.
So
I want to know.
when you play ukulele, who are you playing?
It's below.
Okay, you play below.
Yeah.
And when you ride your cycle, who do you ride, Apurva? Sorry, you said it. I'm really sorry, you said it, Apurva. You put your foot in your mouth.
Loving this interview.
No, but
So, who do you ride? I mean, your bicycle? What's it?
yeah, bicycle. Okay, so I always wanted a. Why am I doing this? But okay, I always wanted a pet, and my mother never was comfortable with that.
You're going off the point.
Pet. I'm telling you, I'm getting there. I wanted to name it Bundi, whatever breed of dog, whatever cat, whatsoever it may be. I wanted to name it Bundi. I wanted to have something named Bundi. So I obviously couldn't get a pet. So when I got a bicycle, I named it
चलाती है
Bundi.
नायरा.
right Bundi.
Don't ever drop raita on it, otherwise it will become what. Bad one. Bad joke. Shreya, just it's an open fact. You put it on Instagram that you found love on the show. I'm just saying.
Oh.
But the fact is that when you're working on a show like this, you guys spend a lot of time with each other, and there's a lot of bonding and things like that. And sometimes the BTS is just more spectacular than real life. You know what I mean? So just BTS moments. I mean, between you guys and how much you bonded as a fam. Now that you're going into season 2.
So it was so beautiful, and I always keep on saying this, that जब मैंने रंग दे बसंती देखी थी ना, तो मेरे को था expectation ये मेरा college life रहेगी, वो गेड़ी मारना and वो 5 लोग का group, and never happened. I was in Pearl Academy of Fashion, never happened. Surrounded with girls, just doing fashion. So nothing, okay. But touchwood, my God gifted me these beautiful 4 people, and I acted with them, and we did all the expectations I had for college on the show. So we became such great friends that we were there for each other. We were it was very pure. So हम लोग back to back when season 2 happened, no, the janta was so crazy to know what's happening. So we made sure like whatever we are doing, no filter, we are just shooting everything and putting stories and just making sure everybody is also involved in season 2 journey, because 2 सालों से people have really enjoyed our company, you know. मैं बग्गा कुछ वीडियो बनाएंगे, या मैं मंजोत, या मैं अपूर्वा, या मैं केशव. It's just so beautiful and pure, the relationship we have had.
Just to put it
all I can say.
Yeah, Gagan, what are you saying?
This is one of those projects that I look forward to. This is kind of my vacation.
Yeah.
That, oh my
It's
God,
a vacation.
it's happening.
Yeah.
It's happening. Oh God, I'll get to meet my friends. हाँ, this is a paid vacation. And मतलब जो मस्ती होती है, it's usually there is zero amount of stress on
there's no stress.
what we do.
Yeah, and you know, the thing is, the beauty is, because you're all the same age, you probably just get each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of sets, you find a problem of people getting each other and things like that. So I think that comfort value must be great.
And
Yeah,
sir,
Shreya?
I would like to add that we have a WhatsApp group, and in my phone, I have saved their names from last 2 years. It's Trippy, it's Naira, it's Karan, it's Bagga. I have not named them like by their names. So I genuinely, I am the biggest fan of College Romance, and I literally address them by their character names, because period. Tum wahi ho. So that's how the relationship is also going for me. Like I'm literally calling Karan
So cool.
Bagga. Yeah.
So Gagan, who's your favorite character? You're not allowed to say Bagga. Whose character do you really love in CR? Just actually, I'm giving you a canvas of 1 and 2. You know, so
1 and 2. Oh,
Yeah.
great. Thanks. You just saved me 2 people. So the first one is Deepika. I love how crazy and wild she is, and that's a character. If there was a male version, I would love to play it. And
kick some butt.
kick some butt, be unapologetic about everything, own the room, stand out, and the second one would be Naira, because I love the personality that Naira has, because I have friends like that. The only girl in the boys group who is the voice of the boys.
Yeah, I agree with you, man. It's so cool. Yeah.
Who school them about things, about their worst optimism about girls and everything. Basically,
we all need an Naira in our life.
Yeah, we do.
Busting the bubble about us and the people around us. So yeah, these two.
Manjot, is there a character who's coming in CR2 that we should all really look forward to? Somebody apart from the 5 of you, you know, the principal cast. Is there anybody else that you think we should keep our eyes open for? Almost like a teaser for CR2.
नहीं, of course there are few actors. एक तो वो हैं Surbhi and Samriddhi. They played Chinky Minky in Kapil Sharma show. So एक वो हैं, and one is Aishwarya. She's a great actor. तो I think ये दो मुझे अभी याद आ रही हैं. और कोई है?
Dhatupriya.
मतलब हाँ, Dhatupriya. She's amazing.
I saw her in the trailer. It's so cool.
Yeah, end में. Her name is Nupur Nagpal. हाँ, तो
also Ankur Pathak.
Aishwarya.
हाँ, Ankur Pathak. Aishwarya मैंने बोला.
Yeah. Did any of you?
तो बहुत है.
Yeah. Did any of you not go to college? Maybe you started working at an early age. You dropped out of your 12th standard, you know, and then you didn't go to college. Manjot, you started working early.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, even I didn't.
You didn't.
When I was in 9th class, I was 16 years old.
Fair enough, yeah. I mean,
that's why I was telling you कि मैं तभी सबसे senior हूँ. I started working at 16.
Yeah, so here's my next question.
छोटी है इसलिए किसी को लगता है.
छोटी, correct. So उन्होंने कभी यही बोलते हैं कि यार everybody thinks I'm sir and I'm godfather. The problem is I've been in the industry since I was 14, 15, 16.
But
so my logical question.
कि अभी senior नहीं है.
So Manjot and Apurva, I want to ask you. Did you feel a longing of, my God, I should have gone to college, just hung out in the canteen, done nothing, bonded. You bonded outside, I'm sure, in your work sphere. Manjot, so both of you take this question. Did you feel that little bit of, yaar, shayad jana chahiye tha? Apurva, let's start with you.
I did. I went to regular school till 9th grade and 10th में मैंने काम करना शुरू कर दिया था. So there was no pressure कि पढ़ना ही है, but there was like being the nerd that I was, I wanted to finish school and get into college. तो मैंने correspondence किया and I'm still studying. So that feeling of when I get called to colleges to probably judge events or just be a part of events, I feel कि guys तुम लोगों को पता नहीं है ये time बहुत important है. You need to make the most of it because I know the value of it. I didn't get it, but yes, I was fortunate that I got to do a show like this, which, like Gagan said, was like a vacation. Also, it felt like I was reliving my college life, living with these people, or एक दूसरे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, प्रैंक्स कर रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं, बीच में थोड़ा काम भी कर रहे हैं. So वो मुझे लगता है कि I've been lucky that way. Yeah, I got to experience it twice. So हाँ, longing.
Cool, that's a lovely answer. Manjot, did you regret? Did you miss it?
Yeah, of course I missed it, but I've already told them this story कि I always wanted to go to college. मतलब वहाँ की लाइफ जो है वो हमेशा से सुना था कि बंक मार सकते हो, यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है, कुछ भी पहन के आओ, कूल बन के आओ, गाड़ियों पे आओ. सो मैं गया कॉलेज, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के एक कॉलेज में गया मैं, अच्छे रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज में जाके मैंने बोला कि मुझे एडमिशन चाहिए, मेरी ये परसेंटेज है. तो उन्होंने बोला सर आप बिल्कुल आप सोच भी नहीं सकते जिस परसेंटेज के साथ आप आए हो ना, आपको एंट्री मिल गई है वही बहुत है. तो फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, आफ्टर लाइक 2 years I got the invitation as a chief guest for the same college. तो वहां जाके मैंने वो फेस्ट चल रहा था, वहां पे स्टेज पे खड़े होके मैंने बोला कि एक टाइम था जब मैं यहाँ लाइन में खड़े होके एडमिशन की वेट कर रहा था, मुझे नहीं मिला था, और आज इसी कॉलेज में मुझे आप लोगों ने एज अ चीफ गेस्ट बुलाया. तो तब मेरा एक वो बबल हो गया था कि नहीं यार चलो, आई थिंक अच्छा है मुझे कॉलेज नहीं जाना पड़ा, इस वजह से आज मुझे ये मिला है. सो it's kind of balanced.
Well done. That's a lovely way of looking at it. Okay, last question before we wrap. All of you, one by one, what is your note to yourself on 2021? I mean, if you have a diary, have you written down 2021 should be like this for me, or have you told yourself? So let's start with you, Keshav. Your thoughts or your note to yourself for 2021. It's been a tough year, 2020, but we've started the new year on a good note. You guys have CR2 releasing, so tell me.
Right.
सर 2021 के लिए नोट एसेट्स तो मैंने नहीं बनाया. मैं इस टाइप का पर्सन हूँ जो फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी में एक नोट बनाते कि मैं इस साल में ऐसा करूंगा या इस बार ये होगा. बस यही है. नोट भी नहीं है, बस अपने आप को ये है कि जो भी आएगा जैसा भी आएगा अच्छा ही होगा. अच्छा नहीं होगा तो उसको अच्छा बना लेंगे, नहीं भी अच्छा होगा तो भी सही है. तो यही है.
Positive spirit. Apurva.
So I mean I started acting at a young age. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, as an actor you teach yourself कि भाई it's not going to go as per plan. You don't have a regular job. Things are going to be uncertain. So I never really made plans. I just made like little lists of things that I wanted to accomplish or I wanted to learn or do. तो 2020 में तो सब धरा का धरा रह गया. And then I thought चलो let's get serious about it. Let's use the time in 2021. और इस बार गोल सेट करते हैं. मैंने सेट किया फिटनेस गोल्स एंड ये सीखना है, वो सीखना है, इतना सब करना है. साल के 5वें दिन पे मेरा पैर टूट गया. एंड देन आई टोल्ड माय आई वेंट बैक टू माय अर्लियर थॉट कि नहीं, प्लान करना ही नहीं है, जस्ट एंजॉय. सो या कोई प्लान्स नहीं है.
Live one day at a time, enjoy. Gagan.
Absolutely.
Sir, I've just one aim this year कि I have to watch what I eat. पेट है, कुआं नहीं है, इसमें सामान फेंकना बंद करो. और जो मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं करना होता है. You have to take care of yourself, take care of your body, respect it, and you got to start eating healthy, start being healthy.
देखते हैं वो तुम्हारा कितना follow होता है.
So your friend should keep reminding you. Shreya, you should kick his butt and say क्या खा रहे हो. Just keep
I'll make sure.
She'll be the first one to put a pizza in my mouth. I'll tell you that.
Okay, that's your note to yourself. Shreya, 2021.
Sir, I'm just glad that I survived 2020 and I'm here. I'm just very grateful. And 2021, I always keep on saying this thing, yeah, after when Corona happened, just one day at a time. I don't want to plan my future. I don't want to plan what I'm going to wear tomorrow or where I'm going to party tomorrow or where I'm going to be working or I'm going to be doing films or what. No, one day at a time. Period.
Cool. Manjot.
भाजी वही है कि everyone knows यार 2020 was a legit curse. So बहुत चीजें we lost so many people and you know बहुत चीजें देखी हैं. And but as Shreya and Apurva said कि बिल्कुल प्लान नहीं करना, अनप्लान्ड. और मैंने एक चीज सीखी है कोविड सिचुएशन जो पैंडेमिक था कि आपको पता नहीं कल आपके साथ क्या हो.
Correct.
कुछ नहीं पता. तो जस्ट लिव इन द मोमेंट. जो हो रहा है वैसे जियो अपनी लाइफ. एंड मेरा बस एक ये है कि आई वांना ब्रीथ फ्रीली. आई डोंट नो ये होगा पॉसिबल कि नहीं. आई रियली वांना ब्रीथ फ्रीली. खुल के सांस लेनी है 2021 में. आई होप ये हो जाए पॉसिबल धीरे धीरे.
एक चीज और मैं ऐड करना चाहती हूँ, सॉरी आई एम कटिंग एनीवन, दैट I, as an actor, as someone who's still sort of working towards, you know, establishing myself और अच्छे projects करना चाहती हूँ और ये सब, so तब क्या होता है ना कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा डरते हो अपने opinions को लेके, whatever it may be, किसी भी चीज के बारे में हो सकता है. अब मैं personally, I don't know about other people, but I do I have my reservations about expressing myself freely. I would want to, you know, इस साल शायद मैं ट्राई करूँ कि भाई ठीक है, जो भी बैकलैश आएगा we'll figure it out. If you have an opinion and you want to share it. So I would like to teach myself
Lovely.
Be honest.
On that lovely positive note, can't wait to see College Romance 2, guys, when it starts streaming. Thank you very much, Manjot, Keshav, Shreya, Gagan, and Apurva for chatting with me. Stay safe and healthy. Lots of love.
Yes,
bye.
And I hope you enjoy Sia too.
29 January, so live 29 January.
Hope you enjoy the show.